Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals DirectX 12 error. It is not supported on your system. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to simply check if your hardware is DirectX capable, mainly your GPU. Just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in DX Diag. Alright, this one, DXDIAG. Once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Alright, as it will take some time. As you can see here, once it loads, just go ahead and go to the display tab and go to the drivers section right here and locate Direct 3D DDI. And as you can see here, my GPU, which is an RTX 2060 Super, is DirectX 12 capable. It also supports 11, 10, and 9. So what if your GPU only has DirectX 11 right here? Well, unfortunately, best thing that you can do is to upgrade your graphics card. Now, what if you have a DirectX 12 right here and you still have the same set of error? Well, let's move forward. First thing that you need to do here is to open up your favorite browser and type in DirectX. Hit all enter. Once you're in here, just go ahead and click on the first link right here, which is from Microsoft itself. Click. Then just go ahead and hit on the download button right here. All right. There'll be a download process. Just go ahead and follow that. Once done, once you have the installer, just go ahead and install it. The prompts right there will be very easy to follow. And then once you have it installed, don't play the game yet. All right. Go ahead and open a new tab and type in redistributables. All right. Once done, hit on enter. You will see a link right here, which is from Microsoft itself again. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the website, just go ahead and scroll down until you locate this one right here, the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable version. If you don't know which one to download, don't worry. Again, on the DX Diag app, all right, just go ahead and go to the Systems tab. As you can see here in the Operating System section, I have here listed 64-bit. So that means I will download the x64 version right here in the C++ redistributable. All right, if you have 32-bit listed right here or x86, that means that you will have to download this one right here. All right, just go ahead and click on the link, and the same as the DirectX, go ahead and follow the simple prompts on how to install it. Once you have it installed, don't launch the game yet. Go ahead and take the time to restart your computer first. All right, restart. Once done, try to launch the game and it should work now. Now, what if that still won't work? Go ahead and open up your Steam app. All right, go to Steam right here at the top left. Steam, go to settings, then downloads, then simply hit on clear cache. All right, once done, don't launch the game yet again. Go ahead and locate up the game, right click on the game, then go to properties. All right, you will see this option right here, which says launch option. All right, just go ahead and add minus DX11. All right, once done, close it, launch the game again, and check if it helps. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.